Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram DM issue. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and check in your app list for Instagram. Okay, then you need to click on storage and cache and clear cache first, and after that clear storage and click on OK. Once you complete that step, you simply need to log in your Instagram account, and then you need to select any conversation and send a message. So this is a demo message. So as you can see that this message is sent. Let me show you. So here you can see that it is sending now, and in few seconds it will be sent. So this is a process by which you can fix Instagram message not send problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.